Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily use Camli video editor for free. So let's start. First, let's click on editor and let's choose a clip here I prepared for you. When you all have it, also I'm going to talk to you about what this application is missing and what it doesn't have. The one thing I really found out that it doesn't have, that you can't put transition in this application, and I will show you straight away. So first thing, let's just go with the editing mode. You can trim your video like as you really like, really simple. And the next thing is that you can split video. Let's say that I want to split it right at 4.2. That's perfect. This is working like amazing. But you don't have any transition button here that you would like to use. So let's start with themes. You get themes like this one that you can use, but also there are not a lot of them. Then you can have multi-music and easily just add music to your video. I will show you how. Ocean Man. And just that's really simple how you can add music. This card. Now you get aspect ratio, that if you would like to use it for Instagram or YouTube. Now, like really simple way, you just add text. When I'm going to click on add text and I'll write here flower. Okay. And here I got it. I can make it bigger, shorter, make it stronger. And also when I'm going to click font settings, you can change the theme of it. Or you can just insert also color of it. I will leave white. And now you can also change the font of it. But let's make it bigger. Like this. And then you can just align it, make it stronger as I mentioned. And now change the opacity, make it bold. That's a better wording. So when you have it, okay. Now you get stickers, which I think are really simple to use, and like it's in every application. Then you can reverse the video, rotate it, change speed of it. Also, what I don't really like about changing speed is that you get only 4 options of changing speed. So you can go with the 2, 4, 1.2 and 1.4. I mean, so yeah, that's like not really good. 0.25, 0.50, 2 and 4. These are the speed you can use and not much else. So that's like what I don't really like. Okay, and then you have effects here. Also, effects are really limited in this application, as you can see. You get like explosion. I mean, like, how does it look? Like really bad. Okay. And then you can just doodle. And I don't understand why they would paste this to the video editing program. That's beyond me, by the way. And now you can easily just split the video. I already showed you, and you can insert music, fade in and fade out, and that's all. So this is how you can use the Camli video editing program. If you want to do the basic editing, this program is perfect. But if you want to make transitions, effects, choose something else, buy something else, different program. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.